Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Nita. I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So in this session, I'm going to give you some of the tips for your for improvement in your grammatical range and accuracy when it comes to your writing task. So grammar, there are some like minute mistakes that everyone makes. So I would like to give all of these minute mistakes as tips so that it will help you in scoring good in this particular criteria. Okay, so the first one that I would like to tell you is mind the apostrophes that you use. Many a times we see students, they get confused between words like it's and it is, then they are and there. Okay, so what I would like to tell you is that it's and it apostrophe s is different. The meaning is different. Okay, it apostrophe s is it is. Okay, it is the short form of it is. It means it's completely another word. Okay, so you have to identify the meaning of both these things and then use it accordingly. Many a time students make a mistake with this. Please don't do that. So always keep a strong hold on the apostrophes that you're using. Okay, next one is always use a comma after an introductory or a prepositional phrase. Okay, so many a times another common mistake that many people who do is that they miss out comma or they put a comma in a totally unwanted place. So avoid that. So the first one is like under this, let me just give you an example. After a hard day at work, comma, Jean loves to relax in the backyard. So it's like you're actually giving an introductory statement and then to continue it, you need to separate it with a comma. Okay, point number 2. Next one is like the articles, the definite and the indefinite articles. First example is someone called a doctor. So it is a general statement, so you can use a or an. Okay, but then when it comes to a specific person, someone called the doctor living the next door. It's like you're adding specifications, the doctor next door. So you have to use some. The a should be replaced with the. Okay, so that is a definite article. Next one is the use of semicolon. I very occasionally I see students using semicolon, but then using semicolons actually give you a boost in your range, in your grammatical range parameter. So semicolon is actually used to replace a period and links two independent clauses. Basically, if you have two independent clauses and then you have to and then if they are like if they're associated with each other, then you can use a semicolon. I'll just give you an example in this regard. The family had never seen Mrs. Baker so mad, semicolon. Everyone thought the maid was going to have a heart attack. So there's like two different sentences, but then these two are independent clauses which is separated with a semicolon. Okay. Next one is a very common mistake that many people do is that between the countable and the non-countable noun. So as you know, the noun there in two types, that is countable and non-countable. So the expressions that you use should also matter, should also differ accordingly. For example, for countable nouns like dress, house, car and all, you can use many, like many houses or many cars. But then when it comes to non-countable nouns like snow or time and all these things, then you have to use much, a lot, then little, then few. Okay, nobody tells like many money, you tell like few or little money. Okay, so these are the should have used appropriately the expressions for the countable and the non-countable nouns. Okay, so these are the tips that I would like to tell you because these are like very silly things. So just be careful when you use all these things. Just put a little more effort to see that you correct these silly mistakes, which will help you score a good, approximately a very good mark in your grammatical range and accuracy parameter. So that's it. I hope this session was useful. If you feel the same, please do like and share the session. Also subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications. Thank you.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.